thank you for being our guest on this magical tour of the Walt Disney World Resort. It's our pleasure to present all the things that make this the #1 vacation destination on Earth. The Magic Kingdom, with land after land of fantasy and fun. The Disney Studios, the most popular movie and television studios in the world. Epcot 94, an ever-changing, always entertaining, one-of-a-kind World's Fair. Beyond the 3 parks are 2 huge water parks, Typhoon Lagoon and River Country. Discovery Island, a tropical retreat for rare and endangered species. Pleasure Island, an entire island of nightclubs. An incredible selection of Disney resort hotels that cater to every taste and every pocketbook. Here there is an endless array of recreation and entertainment options. The Walt Disney World Resort is 43 square miles big, with every kind of vacation fun under the Central Florida sun. Describing it all is a big challenge. The people who do it best are the Walt Disney World guests. People like you from all over the world. People who are realizing their vacation dreams come true at the world's greatest resort.
Looking at the world as it is right now, the Disney is kind of a wonderful place. It's kind of like all that's good in the world is right here in one spot.
This is paradise. You can't sum it up better than that.
Let's go first to the Magic Kingdom. The fun begins on Main Street, USA, and spreads from there through 6 more lands of pure fantasy and fun. Adventureland takes you from the wildest jungles of Africa to the rowdiest town of the Caribbean. Frontierland features a whole range of excitement from the runaway mine train on Big Thunder Mountain to the 5-story drop on the all-new Splash Mountain.
I left my heart up at the top of the thing. It was great.
I loved it.
Can't beat it.
Liberty Square is where all the nation's leaders from George Washington to Bill Clinton assemble for an amazing debate.
As this millennium draws to a close and the 21st century approaches, let us pause to honor the very idea of America.
Fantasyland is where storybook characters come to life. Cinderella, Snow White, Goofy, Donald Duck, Pinocchio, Winnie the Pooh, and Tigger too. This is where Dumbo actually flies. The Mad Hatter holds his tea party. And hundreds of dolls from around the world sing in unison. Mickey's Starland is a cartoon town where kids of all ages are invited to meet the Big Cheese himself, in person.
This is just a real fun day to start out with the kids. They were really thrilled that he came up and he shook each one's hand and they ruffled their hair and signed the autograph books and hugged them all, and my daughter cried.
Tomorrowland is home to the world's most out-of-this-world thrill, Space Mountain.
We just got off of Space Mountain. Scariest ride I've ever been on. You're in the dark, you're going round and round, up and down, looking at the stars. It's great, gotta ride it.
Daily parades are a big part of the magic in the Magic Kingdom year-round. On special nights, Spectro Magic comes out in a dazzling display of music and light. And Fantasy in the Sky fireworks is the ultimate topping to the most magical day of your life. Epcot is an ever-changing World's Fair of futuristic inventions and cultural encounters.
Over here, this is Spaceship Earth. This is one of the things you'll see when you first walk into the park, and it's great.
Inside Spaceship Earth, you'll spiral with the history of communications and soar through star fields for an incredible view of the planet. Then, fast forward to the future at the new Innoventions. The most innovative corporations have chosen this as their showcase of what's new and what's to come. Be among the first to see, touch, and experience the things that will affect your future. And be dazzled by the showmanship technology of the all-new Splashtacular. You'll travel from beyond the horizon to futuristic worlds, down to the very bottom of the sea. The land takes you on an amazing excursion through farming techniques and technologies of the future.
My favorite pavilion is the Universe of Energy, which is right behind us here. What I like about it is you see the dinosaurs, It's absolutely terrific.
Journey into Imagination has Dreamfinder and his impish friend Figment whisking you through words, sounds, colors, and facts that lead to new ideas and thoughts. Wonders of Life delights you with happy, healthy fun. Then, you're reduced to the size of a blood cell and sent soaring through the human body. World Showcase at Epcot is a community of nations, complete with authentic architectures, world-famous restaurants, gardens, shopping, entertainment, people, and cultures. Mark Twain and Ben Franklin are your hosts in the American Adventure, the centerpiece of World Showcase. Surrounding it are 10 other great nations: Germany, Italy, Japan, Morocco, France, United Kingdom, Canada, China, Mexico, and Norway.
Take a stroll through the London Manicure Gardens, go into one of the bistros and sit down and have something to drink. It's great. And then just move right on to the next country and change accents as you go.
For sampling the world's most famous cuisine and enjoying the finest cultures, World Showcase is an ideal way to spend your day.
Fantastic. We can't wait for the fireworks tonight.
Whatever you choose to do on your Disney vacation, don't miss Illuminations at Epcot.
Couldn't even imagine it. Like, it was better than any dream you could ever have. It was just brilliant.
Welcome to the Disney Studios, the most popular movie and television studios in the world. This is home to the world's greatest movies and some of the world's most incredible movie attractions. You can go under the sea with Ariel, watch the stars of Aladdin parade down Hollywood Boulevard, enter the new Twilight Zone Tower of Terror for a trip 13 stories beyond and a fast fall back to reality. See how Indiana Jones pulls off those hair-raising movie stunts live.
Favorite? I would say it's the Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular.
The Muppets. The Muppets.
The Muppets was pretty good too,
The
yeah.
Muppets.
Welcome to Muppet Vision 3D.
The characters in the movie just come right out through the screen, right out in your face. They went out with a bang. They blew the whole theater up.
Buckets away! We surrender! We surrender!
On Star Tours, you'll enjoy a rip-roaring journey to the moon of Endor. At Superstar Television, you'll star opposite celebrities like Tim Allen on the set of Home Improvement. At the Monster Sound Show, you might add the sound effects to a monster movie starring Martin Short. The art of Disney animation invites you to peek over the shoulders of Disney artists at work, breathing life into classic features like The Little Mermaid, Academy Award-winning Beauty and the Beast, Aladdin, and new animated features like The Lion King. The backstage tour of the Disney Studios takes you from hometown America to New York City, through the world's largest costume department, through sound stages where shows are in the making, through real post-production operations, and onto the set of one of nature's worst catastrophes.
As we went through the canyon, I got all wet. We went through the storm. But it felt good. It was nice and cool.
Here you can find your way out of the backyard scene from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids movie set. And you can meet a bunch of radical dudes in person.
It's a sorcery in the sky, and it's in the evening. The fireworks spectacular.
Awesome.
It's incredible.
So
It's amazing.
On special nights, Sorcery in the Sky is the perfect conclusion to the ultimate day at the movies. Beyond the theme parks is a whole wonderful world of entertainment and recreation.
This is our 4th time at Disney, and every time we come down here, there's something new and different to do.
Typhoon Lagoon is Disney's newest, biggest, steepest, deepest, most amazing, better than the beach water park.
What do you think about the Humunga Cowabunga?
Well, I liked it if I could keep my swimsuit on.
With 5 championship golf courses from which to pick and choose, Walt Disney World is one of the nation's premier golf destinations.
I recommend playing this course for a number of reasons. 1, the Orlando climate is absolutely great golf weather. 2, the course is beautifully manicured. And 3, you have to play the 6th hole where the bunker in front of the green is shaped like a Mickey Mouse.
There's an entire island devoted to nighttime fun at Walt Disney World. Pleasure Island, featuring a variety of nightclubs, shops, and restaurants. And every night on Pleasure Island, a street festival that has everyone dancing in the streets.
Pleasure Island was open 24 hours, we'd be here.
The only way to make the most of the Disney magic is to stay in the middle of the magic. When you stay at any of Disney's resort hotels, you're in the heart of the fun, where recreation, meals with characters, and Disney dinner shows are practically right outside your door. You have a whole world of special benefits available to you. Your resort transportation is complimentary, so you can hop from your Disney resort to any park easily. You enjoy early access to the theme parks, and you're invited to take advantage of a special length of stay ticket value that's good from the minute you arrive to the minute you check out. Your children can enjoy special child care clubs. Your pets have their own special place to stay. Preferred tea times are yours. And the whole world of recreation is open to you. Those are just some of the many benefits of staying at selected Walt Disney World resort hotels. Resort hotels at Walt Disney World come in every size and theme to cater to every vacation fantasy and pocketbook. For example, Disney's premium hotels, among them the Grand Floridian Beach Resort. It features all the most regal Victorian charms and amenities. The Yacht Club and Beach Club resort hotels join together in a magnificent New England nautical setting. The Contemporary Resort Hotel is so ultra-modern, it has its own monorail station inside. The Polynesian Resort Hotel is one big South Seas fantasy, complete with an authentic luau dinner show. Disney's Village Resort offers spacious, quiet living among the trees, greens, and fairways. The Key West-style Disney Vacation Club Resort offers spacious 1, 2, and 3-bedroom vacation homes with all the at-home comforts. If roughing it in the woods is your style, Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground is downright accommodating, with wilderness homes and prime places to pitch your tent. On a grander country scale, the new Wilderness Lodge is an ideal retreat to the Pacific Northwest. Among the affordable moderate options are the Caribbean Beach Resort Hotel, Port Orleans Resort Hotel, and Dixie Landings Resort Hotel. Disney's All-Star Resort begins a whole new phase of economy-priced hotels.
Well, I'd say definitely stay on the property, stay in one of the hotels or the campground.
Before you go to the Walt Disney World Resort, it pays to plan ahead by choosing the vacation package that's right for you.
I would advise you to use Walt Disney World travel packages. We've used them twice and we've been very pleased with them both times.
Consider the value of a Walt Disney World vacation plan that's perfect for you.
Buy a multiple day pass, stay as long as you can every day.
Multi-day tickets are your best value. They're available in a flexible variety of options. Plan ahead. Where you want to go, what you want to see, and definitely stay in the middle of the magic at a Disney Resort Hotel. Call for your reservations today. 1-800-775-0700 or call your travel agent. Disney representatives are available day and night to make hotel reservations, plus handle your Disney dining, entertainment, and recreation. Special accommodations are available throughout Walt Disney World for guests with disabilities. One toll-free call does it all. When it comes to making vacation dreams come true, Walt Disney World is here for you.
We think it's great. We have had such a good time here, and we'll come back again.
The value is phenomenal. We wouldn't go anywhere else. I love Walt Disney World. I love it.
Be prepared to not want to go back home because things are so great here, it's tough to leave.
When you do wish upon a star, sometimes your dreams do come true.